Security to processing. The Grable shipment has arrived at the gate. Initiating access sequence.
Documents clear. Proceed to Bay 4, follow the hand signals. Keep it coming, easy now.
Steady, keep them moving slowly to the left. Okay, watch the horns. Next group coming down the ramp.
Body condition score is optimal. Recording the data now. The posture is excellent.
101.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Please record that for Bull 74B.
Confirmed. Updating the system now. Heartbeat is strong and steady. Respiratory looks good on the scan.
All right, doctor, we'll move him to recovery now. Open the gate, please. Opening the gate.
The optic nerve looks healthy.
Horn structure is solid. No signs of stress fractures.
The molars look good. Slight tartar on the lower left premolar. Please note that.
Noted, doctor.
All markers are within acceptable parameters. Confirmed. Granting Stage 1 approval.
The automated cleaning sequence is highly efficient.
Indeed, sanitation standards are consistently met.
We just finished inspecting the latest delivery.
Noted. The moisture content looks optimal on the tablet. Check the insulin levels on screen 4. Levels are stable, Supervisor. The new fodder is working.
All right, big guy, just relax. Almost done over here, you're looking good. This one looks good, completely clean.
Confirmed. Moving to the next one now.
Increase the flow to the rear vents. Adjusting now, humidity levels are stable. The health report is clear across all metrics, Doctor.
Excellent. Finalize the approval and release the bull.
Engineering, confirm calibration complete on the Longhorn line. Team A, transition to standby. We are initiating the next cycle in 3 minutes.
Make sure the color is consistent on this batch.
Yes, I'm checking the thickness now.
The beautifully packaged necklace boxes travel along automated conveyor belts toward the finished goods warehouse, where they are carefully packed into export cartons.